Still on Great Seneca, going west, trying to get to my house. I had to go to Home Depot quickly to get a brush for my car, to get snow off my car. I have a rear-wheel drive. It is very dangerous. Many cars are stuck on the side of the road. Stay inside until the snow stops. I can't believe it started plummeting from the sky at such an unbelievable rate. So I'm sharing it with all of you. Be safe. Now some trucks are making a lane on the left-hand side, which that's going to be very helpful, but I can't go on that side because I have rear-wheel drive. I need to go where the lanes are already made. Okay, I have to talk to you later. Bye-bye.